Hi and Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Husna Hukaira binti Muhammad Arif.
Hi, my name is Nur Syuhada binti Muhammad Kamsul.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Ima Amili binti Ahmad Badrul Amin.
Hi, my name is Nurul Mazrudin binti Zainuddin.
Hi, my name is Nurisa Maisarah binti Rizwan and we are from SMK Saujana Utama.
Extreme heat events can trigger a variety of heat stress conditions such as heat stroke. Heat stroke is the most serious heat-related disorder. It occurs when the body becomes unable to control its temperature. Extreme heat or heat waves occur when the temperature reaches extremely high levels or when the combinations of heat and humidity causes the air to become oppressive. Who is at risk? There are 4 categories of them: children, older adults, outside workers, and people with disabilities. Did you know that temperatures that soar to 90 degrees Fahrenheit or 32.22 degrees Celsius or higher over the course for 2 or more days can cause dehydration, heat exhaustion, or heat stroke? The objective of this product is to prevent the students from heat stroke and maintain their good health, can create our own air conditioner at school for overcrowded classrooms, to improve indoor air quality and create a much healthier atmosphere, helps keep our temple cool so even if we are stressing out, our brain will focus completely instead of becoming hot and having an outburst.